unwavering belief in our vision for prosperity and your relentless efforts have brought us this sweet victory. However, I urge you all to celebrate with temperance, as this victory is not the exclusive preserve of any one political party. Rather, it is the collective will of the people of Bayelsa State, united towards progress and a better future for our state. Even those who cast their votes differently enriched our democratic practice by their participation and, if you like, dissent. I reaffirm that I will continue to be the governor of all in Bayelsa State. I want to place on record our gratitude to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who, allowing the conducive environment for what has been a free, fair, and credible election. In the same vein, while we appreciate the role of most of the security agencies for their professionalism and hard work in providing security for the exercise, we equally commend the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, for discharging their responsibility largely very creditably. We are too few as a people to be polarized and fractionalized along political, clan, and other primordial ranks. My determination in fostering unity and inclusivity as we strive to achieve the shared goals and aspirations of our people is undiminished. I eagerly look forward to collaborating with each and every one of you to create a brighter future for Bayelsa State. I want to sincerely thank all those who exercise their democratic right to vote. Your participation in this election has reaffirmed the strength of our democracy and the power that lies within the hands of the people, as I keep emphasizing that power ultimately in a democracy lies with the people. Once again, I extend my deepest gratitude to the people of Bayelsa State for your overwhelming support that turned out to be more like a movement in Bayelsa State. I accept your mandate to serve you again as governor with utmost humility. Be rest assured that I will continue to serve with integrity, dedication, and transparency. Let us embark on this next phase of our prosperity journey together, knowing that the future of Bayelsa State rests in our hands and ultimately in the hands of God.
This victory is not for the governor alone. It's a victory for the whole people of Bayelsa State. Since we arrived here, we discovered that the governor is linked and connected to his people, and that is how leadership is supposed to be. And these are the people that we can easily identify with, so that the dividends of democracy will get to the people, the poor people, the suffering people. And I want to assure you, with the short discussions we've had over this time, his second tenure will be better than his first tenure.
I've spoken, and that's the victory we have seen today. And the people love him for his humility. He's a man full of humility, and that has played in this election.